here's how you can fully unpair the Apple Watch. Let me guide you through the process. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So if you just grab the iPhone that is paired to the Apple Watch, obviously there is only one iPhone that the Apple Watch can be paired to, so you just grab that one and navigate to the Watch app, which is like the app where you control everything and you can change the settings and whatnot. But in there, when you click on all watches and tap on the information icon next to the current one, you'll see the ability to unpair the Apple Watch and at the bottom, and that is basically unpairing it from this iPhone. So it's like technically fully unpaired from this iPhone, but not fully unpaired from your account. So if you want to sell the Apple Watch or, give it away or something, you wouldn't just unpair it like that. But instead, I think it's better to go to the general section and tap on reset, and you can clear and erase Apple Watch content and settings, and everything will be gone for good. You can clear it like that, and then you can it will probably be like set up as a brand new watch. But if not, for some reason or something else would happen, you can just go to the unpair button that I've shown you before. But these are the things that you can do about it. Like, obviously, if you fully reset the Apple Watch and it's all cleared and no data is stored there anymore, then as I said, you can give it away or sell it or do something else with it. But that is going to be all from me. I hope I was able to assist and help you out with this question. In case of further stuff, you can leave the comments with the questions below, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos too. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.